Furnace didn't work out. Round 2.
Alright, here we go. Hey, I'm calling about your ad in the bargain hunter.
At 2:25 in the morning?
I'm freezing over here and they got no heat. I just wonder if I could come and pick that up. It sounds like a really good deal. $50.
Well, can you call back in the morning?
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay, goodbye.
Dishwasher, mine just broke. Hey, I'm calling about your ad in the bargain hunter.
2:25 in the morning? Hey?
Oh, my dishwasher broke.
2:25. And then he waits for the answer. Holy fuck.